Good afternoon, class and professor. My name is Mike Winkleman. Today I'd like to take some time and speak to you about simple interest, particularly in the auto industry. The purpose of this speech is to inform you of how simple interest works and why it's important to have an understanding. I previously worked as both a customer service associate and a collector at an auto loan company here in Las Vegas. The biggest problem I experienced in either role with our company was just our customers' lack of knowledge, one on how their interest was accrued and also how it was applied towards their payments. I believe most people would assume that the amount of interest they pay each month is based off their APR directly to their payment amount, which is not the case at all. To begin, I'd like to take a look at a few of our industry averages. The average interest rate of an auto loan is 4.96% as of December 19th of 2018. Now let's just call that approximately 5%. This information has been provided by Statista.com. The average monthly car payment in the first quarter of 2018 was $523, and this is according to Experian in an article by Phil LeBeau at CNBC.com. And in that same article, it shows the average borrowed amount at $31,453. Another term for the average borrowed amount could also be referenced as principal amount. So just to reiterate, our interest is 5%. Our average monthly payment is going to be $523. And our principal is $31,453. Now let's understand simple interest and why that's important. According to an article entitled Simple Interest at Investopedia.com, simple interest is determined by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal by the number of days that elapse between the payments. So I'd like to reiterate that as well. Let's take a look here. Here's our simple interest algorithm. So to reiterate, simple interest is determined by multiplying your daily interest rate by your principal by the number of days between the payments. What I'd like to point out is that this does not say that if you have an interest rate of 5%, that we're going to apply 5% of 523 towards your monthly payment. Let's look at the difference between those two. So first we understand what 5% of the monthly payment 523 looks like. Let's look at the simple interest. Okay, so based off the formula, we needed to know a few different things regarding the daily interest rate. So to figure out simple interest, what we need to know are going to be, again, the daily interest, principal, days between your payments. Sorry if you couldn't see that. Now to figure out our daily interest, what we need to do is we're going to multiply our principal times our interest, and this is very important. Anytime we're multiplying interest, it needs to be in its decimal form, so that'll be 0.05. Then to get our daily interest, or per diem, we need to divide that by the number of days in the year, which is 365. So we come out with a daily per diem, or daily interest, of $4.31. So now that we understand what the daily interest is, let's take a look at that whole equation together. So now that we've got the per diem, again, for our simple interest, we're taking our daily interest, multiplying it by the principal, and then times the days that have accrued between the payments. Let's assume the average number of days between your payments will be 30. So 30 days times a daily per diem, or daily interest, of $4.31 is $129.30. This is the amount of interest that accrued between your payment and the amount out of the 523 that's going to go towards your interest. Now, why is this important to know? Well, firstly, it's a huge dollar amount difference between just 5% and what actually accrued. That's $103.15 to be exact. So over the lifetime, say it's a 60-month term for your loan, that can add up quite a bit. So in conclusion, Simple interest is good to understand. It helps us make better financial decisions on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Again, my name is Mike Winkleman. Thanks for your time. Talk to you soon.